GoPro?
That is a GoPro.
Oh, okay. Can I get my glasses on after I put this on?
That was fine.
So you're going to record my face?
Okay. It is Thursday afternoon, almost 2 o'clock. Going to pick up Megan from the Indian dealership in Newport News, but she lives in my street, and we're going to ride together because she needs help with her riding. She's a new rider, so let's go and do this funky thing. I'm using the Triumph Bonneville today rather than the Indian Chieftain because it's just easier and smaller. Let's go get Megan. She just lives down the end of this street. This is my street. It's crazy. She lives on the same street as me. And I didn't know. And I've changed my jacket. Because I was wearing my riding shirt, but it was a bit cool. So I thought I'd put my leather on. Any excuse to put my leather on. Going to cross over Apollo. No, nothing coming. Well, there is something coming, but I've got plenty of time. Hello, Megan. How are you doing? Just turned round to get behind Megan. I want to make sure that she's in front of me to begin with. I found the last time I did this with a new rider that I was in front and I had to keep looking in my mirrors, and it wasn't very safe. So this seems like a better solution. Anyway, off we jolly well go. Tally ho! First turn out of Monroe Drive, or her first turn out of Monroe Drive. Megan's being very cautious, but this is her first real ride, so it's not the unexpected. She's just being safe, she's just being cautious. But over-cautious will get you killed on an open road sometimes. That was a nice turn. Well, here we go. Megan only passed her motorcycle test about 3 weeks ago. I was one of her teachers. She seems to be doing okay. The last thing she rode before this was a 250, and that was on a car park. Now she's going to come up here and needs to get her speed up a little bit. This is 10 miles an hour faster than she's ever been before. But I'm going to follow her, make sure everything is fine. Turn to the right here. She's a little bit tensive. That's a lot of motorcycle. We're going to turn left. We'll turn left, go all the way down until you get to Old Buckroe Road, and then turn right. What?
We're going all the way down to Old Buckroe?
All the way down there. Off you go. Okay, so she's being a little bit tentative here, but I think it's the first time she's been on a double road. I wish I could talk to her through comms. She's going a little slow. She's at 20 miles an hour and she needs to go faster. Well, let her go at her own speed. I'm keeping her safe by being on this side. She's got up to now 25 miles an hour. She's picking it up and she's getting there. Nice, she's getting her speed up. This must be very nerve-wracking for her. This is her first real trip on the motorcycle. But she's doing all right. And getting her speed up. Doing okay. She looks comfortable. Nothing untoward coming. At this point I decided to overtake Megan because I needed to show her exactly where to go and where to park. So it seemed best for me to overtake and then she could follow me for the last few seconds. So, it doesn't matter. So, you're going a little slow, but I expected you to go a little slow.
I was flying.
Yeah, you were doing. That was that road, the Fox Hill Road.
Yeah.
It's the speed limit there is 35 miles an hour. We were somewhere between 25, around 25.
Yeah, every time I looked down, I was like, "Oh, what am I doing?" And
yes,
then I'd speed up and
I totally expected that to happen. That's your first time on a proper road, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured as much. Yeah. So you did really good. You looked comfortable. You didn't look like you were comfortable. It didn't look like you were panicking or anything. Yeah. Apart from that, you did good. You're cancelling your indicators. You're looking through to keep yourself alive. When you come up to a stop sign, don't stop unless you absolutely have to.
Okay.
Try not to stop at the stop signs because cars tend to run into the back of you because they don't see you. So I'm always aware when I come to a stop sign, I try not to. If there's nothing coming, I will not stop. I'll just go through it.
Okay.
I'll take the ticket.
I like that better.
Yeah, I'll take the ticket, but the chances are a cop won't give you a ticket when you explain to them why you're doing it. So you've been here before,
yeah,
but never on a motorcycle.
No.
Right. So you ready for some more?
Yeah.
Do you want to go further?
Yeah.
Are you warm enough?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Do you want to go?
Follow you though because I'll keep my speed better.
Yeah, with my wife. So from this point, Megan is behind me, keeping pace with me. So therefore you don't see it from my perspective anymore. I have the camera mounted to Megan's handlebars, so we have a POV perspective of her riding. And here we are crossing the bridge towards Fort Monroe. She doesn't know it yet, but I'm going to take her to Fort Monroe Firehouse and buy her a cup of coffee so we can chill out and then ride all the way back in one go. She doesn't know about that yet either. buying you a cup of coffee.